Alright.
Life finds a way.
Dang it.
Sorry. Cultist got in the way. Alright. Just drop off my load. Alright, punch it. Switching the semi.
As long as I'm the last one.
Oh, we got tangos coming in from the center. Nice. Reloading. Oh! What? Woo! Did you get him? Woo. Oh, that was close.
Nope, on the ground. Nope, I'm stuck.
Switching the shotty. You okay?
There's a dude directly below
I got
me.
him. I'm gonna clap his cheeks. There we go. Cheeks clapped. Thanks. Ugh, that was close.
You don't hear the other one?
See him. There's
No,
one
you don't
there,
hear
one
the
over
other
there.
flyers?
Yeah, no, yeah, I heard him. There's the drone right over here.
There's one behind us,
Okay, he
too.
dead. One behind us. Oh, I see him. Right up there. Oh, he down. Alright. I didn't clean up the guys over there.
used about half of my rifle ammunition.
Okay, thankfully we still have brawlers we can kill. If you want to shoot at them, I could ambush them from above. Alright, I got their attention. Nice. Alright, I'll act as Overwatch if you want to go salvage those bodies. Looks like you're clear.
I'm willing to bet that's nowhere near the reality.
There are a bunch of people down the way, but they're off to the left. More reinforcements coming in through the center. Alright. I gotta watch up here. Oh, looks like more brawlers. Alright, they're starting to come up my way. Whoa!
Are you
There's an
alright?
officer. There's an officer with a grenade launcher. Come on, shotgun, don't fail me. Now. Alright, this might get hairy.
Are you down?
No, I'm not down. They are on my butt cheeks, though. Okay, brawlers are down up here, but there's still that grenade launcher downstairs.
Grenade launcher or my turret?
No, it's a grenade launcher. There's a Eurasian officer. Oh, yep, he's on the stairs. He's right over. Ah. He's on the stairs. Try to get to this location.
Okay, I see him.
I am surprised I did not get killed by that. Coming
If he
around.
decides to walk down the stairs, he'll be looking at my turret.
Hold on, he's coming upstairs.
Oh,
Got him.
Was it you or you or the turret that got him?
I don't know. All I know is he's down, and I don't care. You got an attachment for grade guns?
Oh, looks like they killed my turret.
They're below us. There's two of them. Not sure what they are. See a third down the way.
They're both dead.
Okay, I gotta remember that I'm here to pick something up, not wage a war. Give me a minute.
We're definitely doing
Alright.
plenty of the wage in the war thing.
So we got Tango's coming down the stairs off to the left over there.
As long as I'm the last one standing.
You need any medical supplies?
Not yet, but I might here in a bit.
Okay. Another guy off to the left. Here he comes.
Oh.
Cyborg Commando. Got him.
I am out of
Circle around.
ammunition for my primary weapon.
Okay, I'm gonna try to quickly grab some stuff. We might have to run out of here because I'm running low on ammo too. Alright, I've been spotted. They're right behind me.
Oh, shoot, that guy's got a gun.
Yeah, careful. Take out that Zed in front of you. I'll take care of these guys.
No, I'm running.
I'll meet up with you in just a minute. Come on. Oh, I found some battle plans. I'll meet you at the exit. Real quick stop over here. Hopefully I'll be able to find what I need. Ah, just ammo. Okay, just grabbing it. I'm coming out.
You got people behind you?
I think so. No, it looks like they lost interest. Oh, I got your stuff here. Let's, right over here. Where are they? Battle plans, battle plans, battle plans. Ah, here it is. There we go. Battle plans right there. Some more stuff that we could stuff our pockets with. Looks like the occultists kept their escape pretty good. Alright, I got no more room.
Yeah, I'm not. I've still got lots of room.
Alright.
It's too bad I couldn't loot all the people that I killed.
Do we want to try to go back?
Nah.
Actually, no.
Because I'm
Yeah,
out of
right.
ammo.
You even got a pretty good score there. Maybe down there? Kind of the opposite of where I'm going to... So I'm going to be trying to... crawling away around this direction. Alright, they're
Right.
still out in the middle. They're patrolling, so just be aware.
So I wonder if I put this turret up there by that big,
Oh, the radar
ugly
guy?
radar
Like,
dude, if it can
Just
shoot through the
relays.
rails and hit them.
I don't think it can, but I guess it couldn't hurt to try, yeah?
Or the other alternative is I can jump the fence right here and put it on top of this, Oh. So they are thoroughly distracted.
Alright, hold on.
Unless they killed it already. Did they kill it already? Oh, you got guys next to you.
See it, hold on. Got it! Alright, pulling out. I'm gonna leave him a little surprise here.
We decide what happens next.
Oh, you okay?
Yep, I'm fine. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine, I'm fine. We're gonna try to get you your, brawler components, yeah?
I'm not dead set on it, but that would be nice.
Well, I got a brawler down. He's down towards the stairs. The body's down towards the stairs. Oh, and hello. That's a lot of people. Give me a second. Switch a shotty. No! No, 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 no. I might be getting down. Come on, heal, heal, heal. Heal. Oh, I'm down. I'm down. Okay, careful. There's 2 zombies and a brawler coming your way. You got 19 seconds. 10 seconds.
They still next to you?
No, it's clear. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh.
Pick up my
Well.
body parts. Get out of there. There's more zombies coming in from the main area.
Oh, it says I'm full. That's unfortunate.
That's fine. Just get out of there. There's zombies coming your way, though.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, man, that was so stupid. There's a couple of them on your trash. Is my guy still up there?
Maybe. I don't know. If he is, he ain't doing nothing.
Whew. Okay.
If I'd been 1 second sooner. Oh, but look at my kill count.
Yeah, your kill count's great, man.
But I
Is
yeah, so in addition to that brawler and zombie that you had, right as I walked out, there were 2 other dudes just waiting. But that was because you freaking
yeah,
killed me.
That's true.
Life
I
finds
am
a
sorry.
way even here.
Alright, let's see. I'm not gonna drop any bombs this time. I'm just gonna. I got a
Okay.
turret I'm gonna use.
So is this? Are we in nighttime mode right now?
This is evening. Nighttime is way different. Believe it or not. So this is like I think one of the few maps that has like several times of day.
Okay, so I
But
got to
you're
kill
in the-
10 cyborgs. I'm gonna go ahead and just start with the shotgun down low.
Get that ranked up.
Well, I got to kill 10 of them to get the whatchamacallit.
Okay. Alright, they're coming in from the left.
Whittle them down and we can break out.
Alright, aim towards the face. Alright,
Why does it say I've only killed 3 cyborgs? It says I've only killed 3 cyborgs. I know I've killed more than 3 just in this last 10 seconds.
You got a whole bunch of them on the right. They're coming in. Got a runner.
It still says I've only killed 3.
Okay, I killed that guy. Because he was getting a bit close. Alright, we got more people coming in from the right. They'll be showing up in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There they are.
So have you shot any at this group?
Just one.
Okay, so
I was stealing.
I had
kills,
to kill
apparently.
I had to kill 3 people to get 1 kill.
Wait. Okay, we got one shambler off to the right, but it looks like he's stuck.
I don't know. Spread out.
Alright. You wanna put him out of his misery?
Nah, you can take it. And why did you say right? You're pointing to the left.
Oh. I'm not being dyslexic. There we go. Come on, die already. Be down.
Okay, well, at least I got my kill cyborgs count. I did, however, use all 100 rounds of shotgun that I brought in with me. But that's okay, because I still have 500 rounds of my primary
Yeah.
and a turret.
On that note,
Oh, I'm already pretty full.
I need to grab my parts. It looks like we got 2 or 3 up high, three off to the right. Oh, we got a grenadier, officer, center. Weehaw! Grab my parts. Alright, you do your thing. I'm gonna just run and get the part.
Everyone for themselves.
Where is it? Hey, get out of here. Holy crap, Ogre Mech! Ogre Mech! Ah! Okay, playing with the loop.
Oh, crap. Hello.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh boy, hold on.
What are you doing all the way over there?
Running for my life. Don't worry, I got it. I'm running out. Stupid zombie, I'm like, get out of here.
Whittle them down.
Okay.
We can break out.
Alright, I got what I need. There's an ogre mech down there.
Good thing I brought my
Oh, sorry. I think I hit you by accident.
I'm being greedy and...
Yeah, I got you covered. Where is that thing? Oh, he's off in that direction. Dude, he's coming. Alright, your turret's got him distracted.
Okay. Ready to go.
Let's get out of here. Yeah,
you say-
he could dash run. Be careful.
Are you talking about the
He's
dog?
going to- No, it's the ogre mech.
I don't know what the ogre mech is.
Santa Claus. Santa Claus, but meaner. Alright. Hey, you want to pick up some extra stuff? Looks like our bodyguards killed off some stuff.
Sure. They didn't kill off enough, though, because they left all that... They left a bunch of zombies to come kill me from behind.
I think when I died, I think they disappeared too.
Okay, I am full. That's a
Oh,
rarity.
good. Let me fill this. Okay.
Except I have lots of
Check it.
ammunition. I could go and get some XPs.
Well,
Is the ogre mech
Just,
killable?
no, well, not without a railgun, it's not. Whew! But it looks like he lost interest, so...
My turret is still down there. And it's still
Ow.
killing people.
Okay, well, that's a good sign. I hope it gets you XP. Speaking of which,
It's only got 200 rounds left in it, though.
one of the quests for Lordos is to get some ogre mech wetware. But I found a place where you could get them without having to kill an ogre mech. Where is that freak? Oh, there he is. Straight ahead.
Stick together.
Okay. Well, I think I'm
Yeah, you-
probably okay if you're ready to go.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
I want to see what my kill count looks like because I think it's got to be pretty good.
Well, it's got to be astronomical. Plus all the stuff you picked up. All right, let's blow this pop stand. Wee-ha! Woo!
Now it's only
Let's see.
27.
Oh, you got a 27 kill count. Killed 5 Eureskins, 22 Eurasians. Whew. Oh, something happened?
To me? You asking me?
Yeah, it just the game suddenly stopped for a second. Oh, back in.
Our deeds
All right.
are scraps. Let's not waste
Yo. So let's take care of your quest first. So generally, a lot of the uplink stuff is up in the village up there. Very easy to sneak by and get up into there. But sometimes there's a lot of foot traffic coming through the
Try
area.
to carefully extract the good stuff.
Oh, there you are. Well, everyone's just having a bad day right now, aren't they? Go ahead and go through there. I'm going to drop a landmine here.
Everyone for themselves.
Somebody's shooting from up above here.
I think sometimes there's a sniper or something.
Oh,
right up here.
no, it was a drone. Two really big dudes down there on the ground.
Oh, thanks. Well, if we don't bother them, they should bother us. What the heck? Man, what did you pick up that caused that?
I don't know. It seems weird.
It's never that touchy when I'm playing solo. It's like the minute you sneeze, the hunter killers take it personally.
They definitely seem to be very offended by my existence.
Do they do that in solo for you?
So you know I don't play solo, right?
You've done it occasionally.
Yeah, but not really. Only when I'm farming.
Usually doing a beer run, right? The beer runs, for some reason, don't have hunter killers, which might be for the best.
So I'm gonna drop this landmine. Oh no, wait! I can pick up that water bottle because I dropped the. Oh no, I didn't drop the landmine.
Okay, so it looks like a lot of the big boys decided they were going to have fun down there, so that's gonna change our plans here. Here, how adventurous are you feeling?
Hey, do you want this landmine I just put down?
Let's see. Yeah, sure, here. Take this large loot box.
No, I've got water bottle because the water bottle's $25,000.
Okay. We're going to be adventurous. We're going back. Oh, wait, no. You still need to get the uplink parts, don't you? I think there's... Okay, there's a crate around the corner. There's a chance for something to be in there. I just don't want to be near these mechs. They're actually going in really deep up
Oh,
here.
there's one neural uplink.
Okay, well, no, okay. Don't go further up that direction. We're going the opposite direction. I got an idea. What did I just pick up? Alright. Looks like all the medium mechs are having a party off in that direction, so we're gonna skirt around the map towards that highway. Let's see, is there a safe spot? Okay. We just slowly drop down here. Wanna loot that? Looks like we're safe for now.
Loot what? Oh.
Not that thing right there, yeah.
Guess I should be careful with not looking at what I loot because I don't have the big bag with me right now.
So I think we're gonna try to get to the edge of that highway. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything around here.
The last time we were on this map, we blew up the bridge.
And then the ogre mech got pissed off. I mean, the Rescue officer? I'm gonna call him Mr. Incredible because he looks like Mr. Incredible.
The really low poly count,
The really derpy looking dude.
yeah.
Yeah, do I want to piss him off? Or let them fight their own little battle here? So we gotta get past him, so it's either get on top of that roadway or go underneath the bridge.
Well, I'm already halfway. I'm already in my pajamas.
Alright, let's go. Cross the bridge. Just nice and easy, I don't know. Wait a minute, hold on. Wait a second.
Oh, how did you get over there so quick?
The hunter killer is behind us. Doesn't look like he's within range though, so just be real.
Is there only ever one at a time?
Usually, yeah. Ah, crap, I don't think we could get on that bridge from this over here.
Oh, shoot! Where the hell is that coming from?
Southeast.
Got him. That spooked me out.
Okay, he's over there. He's getting close.
The hunter killer?
Yep. Your open ones are not really all that bad.
I just happened to be standing in the right spot for that guy to shoot me in the back.
Okay, there you are. Alright. Right down here. Oop. Oh, hey, would you like a color magazine? Big AK-47 magazine?
I won't say no to it, but
Oh, was that Doorbell? We might need to extract. I'll keep you covered.
keep me covered.
Did you hear the doorbell?
No. Like the actual real doorbell?
Real doorbell.
Okay, if you want to hold on for a second.
Yep, just crouch down. Right. I got you covered.
Eyes on us. Spread out.
Just follow me.
Okay.
Okay, follow me. Nice and tight.
Did that turret help at all?
I think it did, yeah. Zombies decided to make their way around.
I think they spotted us.
You with me?
I'm way behind you. You run a lot faster than my character does.
Fortunately, the enemy's too occupied. Just stay with me.
Yep.
Going up that direction. Right, go.
Is it up? Okay, so it's up here.
It's up here. Take a hard right. Oh, shotty, shotty. Heal yourself.
Sorry, say that again?
Heal.
Okay.
All right, this way. Are you being chased? Okay, keep going, keep going. Go around the corner, go around those rocks there. Go up here.
I think they spotted us.
Keep moving.
I'm down. Kill them first. Don't try to heal me.
Okay, let's go. We're almost there.
Yep. The helicopter's gonna drop a bomb on us and we're both gonna die.
They fixed that actually. It's not so lost.
Okay, cool.